Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel, quality videos, #1 Chernobyl fans. Today we have Dollar Days. Dollar Days starting in a week, starting June 18th. Just note, starting June 18th through July 1st. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Double check to make sure you're subscribed. Some of the HARBROs or HARBROettes recently let me know in the comments that they weren't subscribed. They didn't know it. So just double check. Maybe you want to be subscribed. Anyways, Dollar Days. Let's jump in. We have starting Storehouse cable ties, 100 pack, your choice of color, 5-inch black or 4-inch white. We've asked this before. Why is the black one bigger? I don't know. Just be careful which way you decide to go because you never know if you'll come back or not. $1, normally $2, 49% off. Super strong quick setting epoxy, $1, normally $2 as well, 49% off compared to JB Weld. Grant's 6-inch microfiber applicator pad with pocket, $1, normally $1.49, 32% off. We have Vanguard 3 to 2 prong grounding adapters 2-pack, not Shakur. Couple HARBROs admitted they didn't know what I meant by that, but 2-pack, not Shakur, $1, normally $2, 49% off. Did it. Western Safety, impact resistant safety glasses, $2, 33% off, 69%. That's nice. Pittsburgh 4-inch magnetic parts holder, $2, normally $3, 33% off compared to Husky. We have another Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 6-inch diagonal cutters, average size, $2, normally $4, 49% off. And we have the Hardy latex cleaning gloves, 2 pair, $2, normally $3. It's 33% off compared to soft scrub, available in small, medium, or large, extra large. And then we have Chicago Electric 1/4-inch by 14-foot protective wire wrap. You gotta wrap it up, HARBROs. Safety first. $3, normally $4, 24% off compared to Granger approved. We have a 9-inch caulking gun, $3, normally $4. 24% off. Make sure you read this. Caulk not included for the size queens. Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 3-inch corner clamp, $3, only 14% off compared to DeWalt, down from $3.49. Then we have the cotton swab assortment, 175 piece, $4, normally $6, 33% off. Going on to Bauer, 1/2-inch by 18-inch sanding belts with aluminum oxide grain, 3-pack, 33% off, normally $6, down to $4, available in 36, 80, or 120 grit. We have the 10-ounce cherry gel pumice hand cleaner, $4, normally $5, 19% off. Gojo cherry gel. Then we have the Centec 12-volt alternator battery checker, down to $4, normally $7, 42% off compared to Cartman. Then we have Pittsburgh again. Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 3/8-inch drive impact extension set, not socket, impact extension set, 4-piece, $4, normally $8, 49% off compared to Clutch. And then we have in the Dollar Days, US General Alert. US General Alert 25-pound magnetic hook, $5, normally $8, 37% off, now available in 9 different colors. One of those colors being the plum purple, beautiful color. I think the last time these were on sale for this, I think they actually sold out. I remember a lot of the comments, a lot of the HARBROs were saying that they could not find them in store, and hopefully that's not the case anymore. But excellent deal on these magnetic hooks to match your carts that you just got during the parking lot sale. Next, for the HARBROs, 7-foot 4-inch by 9-foot 6-inch camouflage all-purpose weather resistant 5mm tarp, down to $5, normally $9, 44% off. And going on more, Centec. We have the circuit tester set, 3-piece, $5, only $6, 16% off. Hallmaster diamond braid rope, 1/4-inch by 100-foot with 300-pound capacity, $6, normally $8, 24% off. Diamond braid rope from Hallmaster, solid deal. Then another US General Alert, the 12-slot stubby wrench organizer, 2-piece, down to $6, normally $10, almost 40% off. It's 39% off compared to Snap-on. Then we have the Merlin 3/8-inch automotive quick coupler and plug set, 4-piece, $7, normally $10, 29% off compared to Campbell Hausfeld. Then we have the 11-ounce electronics cleaner, down to $8, normally $11, 27% off. CRC QD electronic cleaner. Then we have the Bremen lifetime guarantee 12-inch high-power trigger clamp spreader. Spread them with a quality spreader, $8, normally $10, 19% off. And those are our new Dollar Days coming up. I feel like there's a little bit of a different vibe and I'm digging it. But what's most important is, what do the HARBROs think? I feel like they've switched it up and they got a few new type of items in the dollar days. Let me know if I'm making things up, but it feels like a good assortment of dollar days. What do the Harbros think? Let me know. $5 US General Magnetic Hook, 25 pounds. I love it. Let me know if you're picking it up. Again, this is from June 18th through July 1st, and we'll keep it simple. We'll leave it at that, Harbros. Again, let me know what you think. We got extended parking lot sale coming up. Free hats, allegedly, if you're willing to pay 15 bucks starting Monday. But I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.